Dear children, last day I taught you geography lesson 8 में आपको लाइफ इन डिजर्ट के बारे में पढ़ाया था. टुडे a cold desert Ladakh. I will teach you page number 126, a cold desert Ladakh. Hot desert and cold desert have many similarities as well as differences. The similarities include scanty precipitation, sparse vegetation, barren expanses, and uninhabited areas. The major differences are of climate and relief. Ladakh is an example of cold desert. Locally, it is known as Panchan, which means snowland. Natural environment, location and relief. Ladakh is situated in the eastern part of the state of Jammu and Kashmir in India. It is one of the highest regions of the world. It is a rocky desert which has high plains dissected by deep valley. The region is bound in the north by Karakoram Range and in the south by Jaskar Range. The Ladakh Range runs through the region. In the southeast lies Ropsu, an area with an average height of about 4,100 meters. It has large brackish lake called Pangong. So the region is drained by the Jaskar and Soyak river. Many glaciers lie in the Karakoram range. Now climate. The climate of Ladakh is cold and dry because of high elevation and great distance from the sea. Leh is the coldest place, which record -28 degree temperature in January. Average annual precipitation is very low, just 84 millimeter, which falls down in the form of fine dry flat snow. Now, vegetation and wildlife. Ladakh has very sparse vegetation due to its harsh climate. Grasses and shrubs grow on the mountain slopes, extenuated below, and poplar trees grow in the valleys along the river, while junipers grow on higher slopes. Wildlife of Ladakh is comprised of wild goats, yak, hare, kyang, a mule-like animal, and barasingha, wild pigeon, gray deer, pintail, chikara, and carrion crow are some popular and unique birds of Ladakh. Lizard is the only reptile found in the region. People and economy. Natural environment of Ladakh is not suitable for human habitation. The region is sparsely populated with a population of barely 2 persons per square kilometer. The people of eastern Ladakh are Tibetan Buddhists, while those of western Ladakh are Muslim. Occupation-wise, the people of Ladakh are either shepherds inhabiting the upper valleys or agriculturists. They grow wheat, barley, millet, buckwheat, peas, beans, and turnip in the lower valleys. They also manufacture woolen cloth. The shepherd rears sheep, goats, yak, and coinage. Sheep and goats are mainly reared for milk, meat, and wool, while yak and coinage are used as beasts of burden. Excellent shawls, carpets, and blankets are manufactured here. Pashmina from goats is the main source of income. Crafts like weaving, carpet making, and embroidery have flourished. For the past 3 decades, Ladakh has undergone a tremendous change. Despite its remoteness, the capital Leh attracts tourists from foreign countries. Also, tourists has emerged as the most important industry in Ladakh. The monasteries and gompas are the major attraction for tourists. Famous Thipkes Say and Rio are some of the famous monasteries. The winter season is also the time for annual festival in the Gompas. Ladakh is a paradise for lovers of adventure sport, mountaineering, trekking, river rafting, and canoeing. The opening of 5 of Srinagar Leh Road has been a major cause for development of tourism in the region. The Manali Leh Road is the highest motorable road in the world. Air service are also available in Leh. This remote region has now become accessible to the world. It has brought change in the lifestyle of the local people who have kept their traditional religion Buddhist alive. Now, next is